Hi guys, today we talk about the Google Pixel 8 Pro versus OnePlus 12. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $999 and OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $750. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 213 gram and OnePlus 12 comes with 220 gram. And the build, the front and back glass and aluminum frame in both devices, and it's come with dual SIM support. And the display of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 16M color, and the OnePlus 12 comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 6.7 inches screen and the OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82 inches screen. The resolution, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 1344 by 2992 pixels and the OnePlus 12 comes with 1440 by 3168 pixels. And the PPI density, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 489 PPI density and the OnePlus 12 comes with 510 PPI density. And the refresh rate of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the OnePlus 12 come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio and the OnePlus 12 come with 91.3% of screen to body ratio. And the protection, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the same OnePlus 12 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the screen brightness, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak of brightness and the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the OnePlus 12 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. The selfie camera of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 10.5 megapixel with 4K 60 fps video record, and OnePlus 12 comes with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 30 fps video record. And the platform of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Nona-core Cortex X3 CPU and the OnePlus 12 comes with Octa-core Cortex X4, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Google Tensor G3 4nm chipset and the OnePlus 12 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Mortaless G715S GPU and the OnePlus 12 comes with Adreno 750, and the both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. Let's go to the memory of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 12GB of RAM and the OnePlus 12 comes with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the OnePlus 12 comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobiles. The battery of these mobiles, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 5050 mAh battery and the OnePlus 12 comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 30W fast charging and the OnePlus 12 comes with 100W fast charging. And the wireless charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 23W of wireless charging and the OnePlus 12 comes with 50W wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same in both mobile, and the result of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 19 points and the OnePlus 12 got 26 points.